Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. जल्दी जल्दी कैमरा ऑन करो अपना. Shit. So started with your offline school and how you are feeling now? Is it enjoyable? मजा आ रहा है?
We are feeling great.
Great.
I like offline school better than online.
Why?
Yes, ma'am. Online school is better. Offline school is the better than online.
Why? Give me 2 reasons each one. And the reason should be different. It
Because
should not
online
be
school we
repeated.
get internet
One by one.
issues.
Online you
We get
internet
internet
issues.
Yes,
issues.
ma'am. We
online.
get internet issues in online. And ma'am, we get to meet our friends, which we don't in
What?
online.
What's the very?
Yes, very
One by one. सबको एक संग बोलोगे तो कैसे सुनूंगी मैं? हाँ, yes, Zuveria. What you were saying?
We get to meet our friends in offline, which we don't in online.
So, you people go to school to study or to make friends?
Both.
But you can make friends after schooling also, no? Keep studying and friendship in 2 different modes, and you can go ahead with your studies at schools and friendship
And when
with
we
your.
go to offline school, we get offline games.
Yes.
It's annoying,
Yes.
Tomer. Oh, wow. I'm so bad.
It hurts my eyes keep on staring at the screen.
Yes,
mine also.
That's the biggest
Mine
problem with online schooling, that we have to see the screen for so long. But now today I can see a beautiful girl over here, Zahira, and Zahra was there in few more classes, but never she kept her camera on, so I wouldn't able to see her.
Ma'am, you send me that I can share my slides.
Sorry, Sarah, I didn't get you.
I can share my slides, Google Slides when you are teaching. I made it.
Yes, definitely. I'm going to see your slides today. So I'll allow you to share your screen and you show me what you have did, right?
Okay.
And Sarah, just remind your mother that I have shared some of the Scratch programmings with her in her email ID. And you show her yours also. I couldn't find yours. Actually, I have so many mails now. So finding yours email ID was a little bit difficult for me. So you just share her with that. You had made the race game, right? For the exam point of view.
Yes.
So show her that you made this one and others made this. Okay, and show her the guidance. It's still, if she has anything to talk about, she can call me. Okay. Yeah, I have allowed you to share the screen. You just show me what you want to share.
Yes. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Wait, it is not starting.
It will.
Ma'am, can I stop and I'm stopping it because it was the keys was not working. Yes, it was. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Now it is stop.
Sarah, I would rather suggest you that this slide, this one, this particular one,
Yes.
you use some templates that we were using in the last class also. I've showed you some templates now. So go ahead and use different templates, because seeing a slide in a blank background is always not
Ma'am, I
attractive.
forgot. Can you tell again where the templates are? This background, no?
Background is used for color, using of the color. I'm showing to everyone. You just close
Like
your
this.
window right now. This just helps. Sarah, I'm not giving you the personal thing. Na? Stop sharing your thing. I'm showing to everyone, and you also learn one important thing. What you were doing, Sarah, everyone has seen that she has used a background color option. But this background color option can just use to create a color in your background of the slide. But if you use template, that gives you some special effects also. You can use either of the thing, and while using such kind of thing, it makes the slides more attractive. Since we are creating a presentation, and why we are creating this presentation, we want everyone to get impressed with, and we will show our content in a very confined manner and wanted to tell others about these contents. So what happened, agar wo bahut beautiful sa dikhta hai na screen pe, so everyone pays more attention towards it. And if the things are little boring, it's very simple going, then people won't find it interesting. What happened when you people are given with the activities? When I was teaching you business studies, when I am about to tell you the story, you were very happy, you learn very fast. But at the time when I was just telling you about the content of business study, it becomes a little bit boring, isn't so? So that is why we always try to make the presentation in very attractive manner. Put some photographs, put some things all around. Okay, so now I am sharing my screen and showing you more tools and techniques of the Google slide presentations. Okay, why I always start showing you the this main screen, because I feel that if sometimes you don't find how to come to the Google slide, so or any app, so you will be easily able to access by following the procedure. So this is the way why I always start here only. I never keep my Google slide ready beforehand. क्योंकि एक अपना प्रोसेस बार बार रिवाइज हो जाता है, then it was quite easy for you to understand the steps. आज हमारे यहाँ लाइट का प्रॉब्लम था, तो शायद so I'm going to have school ID. Now what you will do to access your slide, we have to go to these 9 dots. These are the Google apps. And with this, we will go to slides. And we choose this blank presentation to make the presentations. And लाइट चले गई थी, मेरी बिटिया ने मेरे पूरे नेट पैक को खा लिया. And now she is using GeoFiber's net for her class, and I am suffering with this buffering conditions. Anyways, see, Sarah and everyone, are you able to see this right part of my screen? In the right hand side, we can see themes. From these themes also, you can select a theme. So that will help you to find the backdrop. And this is also quite interesting to share anything, to create. So And yes, if you want, you can import the theme.
Ma'am, there are more themes than these two as well, right?
Yes, yes, there are many things. See, I can even import the theme. So already I have some presentations, so I can import the theme from this presentations also. And see what I did in the last part of this right hand side half portion of the screen, there is the option of import theme from where I have selected this theme. And then I have selected the theme and I have imported it. Yeah, net का बड़ा issue आ रहा है आज. कहाँ गई? Yeah, there are so many things. See, these are the templates that I was talking about. Okay, but मेरा वो imported theme कहाँ गया? Okay, let's try once again. That is not working properly. Anyways, in this way, you can import a file from, and you can even upload a theme from internet. Since today my internet is not working properly, as Umar said, there is internet issues, and Afsha also says there is an internet issue in the online classes, and today we are facing the same. We can drag a file from my device if it's work. So what you can do from Google, you can take a picture, you can save in your system, and you can upload the file over here. और ये भी support नहीं कर रहा है. Anyways, and you can drag and drop the file over here, and you can add on the templates
Ma'am,
of
I
your
just
choice.
tried to import a theme, so but the imported theme comes directly on the slide.
Yes, it comes directly on the slide, but mine's it does not work because there are some internet issues today with me. So it will come. I'm just stop sharing and you share yours, and it will help. It will be helpful for everyone. It happens, and you can even put your picture in the background if you want to talk about you and your family. You can what you can do. You can import the picture. You can just put it in the background and just write the content about the person. So that can also happen. Yes, Aisha, are you sharing your screen and showing everyone how you have downloaded the image in the background?
Yeah.
Yes. And Zaira, I want to have that breakfast that you are eating all alone. This is not fair. See, this is the benefit of the online class. You can have your meal in between the class. And I can't even share a bite from you. I can just see and poke you.
Ma'am, should I share?
Yeah, sure. I'm waiting.
I
Everyone can see.
selected this and
Yeah. From
like
the
this
import
is
thing.
all my PowerPoints. So I'm choosing one this bubble one. So
And
here it came.
it's it. So see, I am also doing the same thing, but I am sure that this is because of the internet issues. Now, Aisha Ghazi, just import the theme. Click in import theme button again. Click to import theme button again. And yes, and go to the upload button. right hand side to the presentation. Yes. And now drag and drop the file over here. Select from your device. Choose select from your device. Choose select from your device. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
And choose
So
any.
anything
Yeah,
like that?
I can't believe whenever I see A, I'm very fond of this letter. Why? I love my name. I
Because it
really
is
love
your
my name. So I always choose A for anything. You know, Aisha?
it's taking time to do.
Yeah, I have internet. I think बड़ा मुश्किल है. Again, an error. Anyways, you people can upload the figure in this steps by following this step. You just try at home. And if you find any problem, we'll discuss in the next class also. Okay. So Aisha, you can stop sharing. Let's go to the my content again. So now we can choose the template, whatever we want, up to our choice. And Sarah, I hope you understood how we are doing this thing. Yes, one thing. In the last class, we were talking about this speaker's note also. So what happened? You can click the title over here. Whatever you want to show to the pupil, you have to write it in the slide only. But sometimes some comments, something that we want to get remember in our mind and want to speak during the this presentation. So we keep that speaker note over here, and it will be visible to us so that we will be able to share the content. We will be able to discuss about that point also, but we don't want to make it a part of the presentation. कुछ चीजें होती है ना जो उसके संग hidden होती है, हमें उसको मतलब मुझे खुद बताना है, but उसको presentation का part बनाना is not necessary. So those things we can write in the speaker's note. Okay, and now fastly we will just do some more things. We can, in the last class, did I told you that we can insert the images? I've told you we can upload the images from the computer, and we can either search from the web and upload the images in our screen. So see, in Google Slide, what happened, whenever we make a presentation in Google Slide, we can have both the things together. But when we do in a PowerPoint presentation, ये screen पूरा गायब हो जाता है, and we get another screen where I have to search the image, so we can see our presentation all together. But here we can do the same thing. So again, I'll choose the letter A. So I choose this. I inserted it, and it comes here. See?
And ma'am, we can also do it. We can search some images from the web from here.
This is
if we
what I
can't
did.
see anything.
This is what I did.
Yeah.
I
You
searched
can
the
search
image
an
from
image from the
Google.
web and you can make it as the wallpaper.
Yes. So what I did, I have uploaded an image, and I have from the Google itself, and I have them keeping this image over here. See, I can make a a template kind thing. देखो उसके उसमें ही मैंने इसको set कर दिया. So now in every slide I can make it like it looks like the slide of Miss A. Right? We can insert a text box over here. I can make the letters in you can increase the letters. I can make the changes over here also. So here is देखो अभी मैं I can increase the size. I can make it bold. I can make it italic. I can underline it. And here I am. See? And now what I can do, I can just copy the slide. So what I did, I put a right click on the, see, in the left hand side, we will have all the slides that we are having. This will be the current slide. And here, whatever we are doing with the slides, that content, that tools will be shown. So all together, we can understand what things we are doing. So now I'll add this title and let's make it as, what is this? Okay, so this is what one side. Now what I will do, I'll come to the left hand side. I just click the right click and I'll copy the slide, or I can make it like a duplicate slide as well. I can just duplicate the slide. So I'll get the same slide again. And now I can change the content. So I just have to change the contents. Okay. So now I can write some notes about my presentation, about the Google slide. So I will get
You are
some
talking
points.
about the presentation notes which are not visible when you share the screen. So where is that?
Sorry, I told about the presentation means.
Notes. The notes that are not visible when you share the screen. So
I'm
you
going
can
to
read it
just a
from.
minute. Let's write
Yeah.
some notes over here and we'll see that what happens with the notes. These notes will not be the part of the presentation, but it will be here visible to me so that I can talk about the notes also. So
Ma'am,
let's
but
write
when we
something.
share the
We
screen
will
to
do it
show the presentation, so how will the notes like
appear
Ma'am,
in the
how
screen.
can
We'll
we
see.
delete any slide if we want?
Yes, I'm going to show you
Ma'am,
that also. Wait a minute. Let me write something over here. We'll come to one
ma'am,
one
how
by.
can we change the color?
Yes, we can change the color. I'll show you. Just a minute. So let's write something over here. Uh, okay. Now I want to see what would be the appearance of this slide. So I'll just save this slide first. No, I don't need to save because it will be saved in my this thing and I can make the name over here. It's ICT. Okay, that's fine. And let's go to slideshow. Yes, the slideshow is here. So we'll do with the slideshow. देखो अभी मेरा वो स्पीकर का स्क्रीन नहीं आया तो मेरे को तो दिखना चाहिए. See, here is the speaker's note. Can you see that, Aisha? And everyone,
no, ma'am.
we just talked about that a speaker's note wouldn't be visible with the presentation. So you can see that there is a presentation. I have just started with it.
Yeah.
And we can't find the speaker's note over here. But I know because this is my presentation, I know there is a speaker note. So what I will do,
Yeah.
I'll go to this three dots. See, these are the number of slides shown in the leftmost bottom corner. The three dots, when I click into it, I can open the speaker's note. Okay. And I can do whatever the things I can do. I can make it an autoplay mode also. We will discuss these options also. And as soon as I click into the speaker's note, right now we will discuss about the speaker note. And in see, in slide 2, we don't have any speaker note. We have to go to slide 1. And in order to go to slide 1, I just went to slide 1 over here and see the speaker's note is visible to me. Right? So we can keep some hidden notes so that it will be helpful for me to give the presentation more appropriately. Right? Understood? We will go with more options after doing one by one. And Now, should we leave this slide and we come back to our own one? जो हम create कर रहे हैं. One second. देखो यहाँ I didn't saved my slide, but it is there and it will be there always. Everyone, please mute yourself. So here we are back with our presentation. So I've told you how you don't need to again and again create the templates, and you can duplicate your slide by clicking right click into it. And as soon as you right click, you will get an option of duplicate the slide. Everyone, please mute yourself. Sarah. Now, somebody asked me how to delete. Again, any slide, click into the right click, and you just have to put the delete button. And my slide is deleted. Okay, so I've told you about the speaker's note. I've told you about the duplication of the slide. And okay, Sarah asked me how to change the color. Let me finish that. Then I'll take the question. Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we will do, we will just want to change the color of the slide. So we can click, see again on clicking in the right click, I can use change background and I can change the color. And yes, I can even change, I can even choose some image to show in the color. It is a boring से color आ रहा है, अच्छा सा color नहीं आ रहा है. चलो इसको रहने देते हैं. We can even choose an image to put it in the background. And I'll upload it from my computer. I'll just browse any picture. चलो मैं अपलोड किसी पिक्चर पे जाते हैं. कहाँ है मेरी पिक्चर्स? अमिताभ बच्चन का पिक्चर डालो. अमिताभ बच्चन का पिक्चर है मेरे पास. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, can I add one? Means, can I share, not add? Can I share?
Wait a minute. Let me do my work first. Then I'll allow you. अभी देखो ये पिक्चर तो हमने लगा दिया, बट ये पिक्चर का तो आधा पार्ट ही नहीं दिख रहा है, तो हमें उसकी सेटिंग करनी पड़ सकती है. नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं होगा. Anyways, we
Ma'am,
can
because
keep
this is
our
the
picture in the
background.
background. Yes, actually ये 2 पार्ट वाला हमने टेम्पलेट लिया हुआ है ना, तो वो आधे ही पार्ट पे ले रहा है. वो पूरे पार्ट पे है पिक्चर, तो मुझे उसका टेम्पलेट ही चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो आई हैव टू चेंज दिस layout actually. So we have to keep a plain one. Then the picture is visible. See. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to stick into one particular template. You can change the template with the different slides. In each slide, you can change the template as well. Okay. So yes, somebody was asking me about some question. Yeah, tell me. Somebody was asking a question.
Ma'am, can I show my first slide?
Yeah, of course. Just 1 second. I'm just moving out mine and then I'll allow you. So I hope you understood how we can change the background, how we can play with the backgrounds, how we can set the backgrounds in different modes. You can even
Ma'am, can
make
I
up.
show?
Just a minute. Abhi
I've
Hamza
changed.
wants to share, na? Sarah, wait. Let Hamza show. Then we will.
Just a second, ma'am.
Anyways,
I'll
anyone
just
else
share
want
the
to show their work? They can.
Ma'am,
You can make a presentation. Sarah, I heard you, na? I told you that I'm going to give you the time. Yes, after Hamza, because you already showed yours, na? So now one by one we will come
I've
to, if
changed.
we'll stick to one
Life,
person, then this is not good. Everyone mute yourself.
I've changed.
Yes, I can see.
ma'am.
See, it looks good.
Life of Goruto by
Hmm.
Hamza Sheikh.
Ah,
This
good.
is some photos of him.
Hamza, this is how you have to give the presentation as well. By clicking the keys, you have just make the things happening and it seems very good. Nice. And this is how you have to
Yes,
give the
ma'am.
presentation as well. Good, good, wonderful. I like it. Add on some more slides, talk some more thing about Boruto and who is this guy, what he does. I think he's a superhero who saves universe and something like that. So
Okay, ma'am.
give more slides and create a story about him. You can even create presentation where you can keep your family members photograph and give a description about them. So in each slide, there is a photo of your family member or friends of yours. So you choose your friends and talk about them, what you like about them and what you dislike about them, and create a presentation accordingly. So go ahead and create some presentations. We will implement some more tools in each classes. Isn't it? Will it be interesting? This is what the multimedia is. We are using so many photos, templates, and we are arranging everything together so as to make a good presentations. Okay, so Hamza, will you stop share? And yes, Sarah, you can share. Make it fast, okay? Zara, what you are doing with presentation? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
First
it
name.
looks good now, but one more thing again, Sarah. Here,
Yes.
विराट के ऊपर ही सारा चीज आ गया है. So, Afsha, this is Hamza's slide, na? Yeah, Sarah, you continue.
Ma'am,
Sarah, you continue. And
First name.
Hafsha,
first name Virat. Surname Kohli. Full name Virat Kohli. Birth date 5 November 1980. Role top order right-handed batsman. IPL Royal Challengers Bank. International team India. Board
this is
cricket
not,
control India. BCCI.
Sarah, I'm talking to you. You have to stop when I'm speaking to you.
Okay.
You
Yes.
can't read what you have written, that everyone can read. What you have written is readable with everyone. You are not here to read out for us. You are here to explain about it. IPL kya? What? So he is a part of our IPL team. He plays with IPL and in IPL, he is the part of the Royal Challengers Bangalore. He played with Bangalore team. Then in international level, he played a lot of matches in around these many matches. He is a part of international team as well, which is governed by BCCI. This is the way you present. Why you have written
Ma'am,
these
can
things to
you
support?
again?
Why won't you
down.
listen to me first? First,
My,
listen to me. Now I am
laptop got
saying
shut down.
something, and still you are not allowing me to say. You want me to accept whatever you are giving, you are feeding me.
No, ma'am. I said my laptop got shut down. Can you say again?
Sarah and everyone, the presentation is nothing like reading out something. It is the thing. You keep some pictures, you keep some messages in the presentation that you understood what you have did, and you can explain those things. You just take a help of some notes, some tips. So जैसा IPL का लिखा तो Virat Kohli is a person whose name is Virat Kohli. Of course, we can see the name, and he is the one who plays IPL, International Premium League. cricket matches, and he also plays international crickets along with BCCI. And he is a part of Indian international cricket team. ऐसा हमको explain करना होता है. It's not like कि तुमने वो read करना चालू कर दिया. वो तो मैं भी read कर पा रही हूँ तुम्हारे साथ. So at the last class, we will make the presentation. You will make the presentations, and you are going to present the presentations over here. Right now, we are learning about the tools and techniques of the presentations. Okay, so don't always. अगर मैं एक ही slide अब तुम्हारा यही वाला मैं रोज अगर हर बच्चा explain करेगा रोज तो मुश्किल होगी है ना. You just learn. और मुझे बताओ जहाँ पे भी अटकते हो प्लीज डाउट शेयर करो. आस्क मी अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस. एक आध प्रेजेंटेशन एक आध स्लाइड का प्रेजेंटेशन भी करके देखो कि हम कैसा कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं कर पा रहे. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू गिव दिस प्रेजेंटेशन एज द पार्ट ऑफ असेसमेंट. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी विल प्लान इन फ्यूचर फॉर योर असेसमेंट. नॉट नाउ. I'm not promising you that this will be the part of assessment. Okay, we'll see to it. Anyways, so today we have learned about a speaker's note. Where is the speaker note, Sarah? I have told you now how we can put a speaker's
Yes.
note. So no speaker
Down.
note was there. Anyways, so
And
what you
then
can
down.
do, everyone, you can make speaker notes. Today we have learned about uploading the pictures from our computer system. We have learned about uploading the pictures from the internet. We have learned about saving the backgrounds. We have learned about various different change in the color in the backgrounds. You can also use these all tools from this insert button. From insert, you can take the images from drives, from photos, from in fact from URL and from camera as well. You can put on some audios also. So what I'll do, I'll just make the slide. I'll duplicate the slide over here. And I'm going to insert a voice. Let's see what we can do with the audio. And now I have some, I don't have any voice over here. So if you have some voice file with you, you can insert your voice file here. And with that, you can insert a voice note. Okay, I don't have any, so it's not showing me. Also, you can add on some video. Again, you have to take the video from YouTube or from URL or from Google, your share devices. अच्छा ये किसी का मेरे पास एक presentation है, इसी को add करके देखते हैं क्या होगा.
Can you show the scratch presentation that you have?
Just I'm also doing the same thing and trying to show you. तो अभी कुछ होता है क्या? So let's see in the presentation what it happens. See, so in a single slide, I can show a video also. Okay. Acha, one more thing. If you want to escape from, if you want to stop this presentation, you just have to press the escape key. Escape key is the leftmost top corner of your keyboard. So there is the ESC key, and this ESC, when I am saying something, I'm explaining something, please listen first, then talk. एक शब्द सुन के बोलना मत शुरू किया करो, मुझे भी समझाने में परेशानी होती है और बाकी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्हें भी समझने में दिक्कत आएगी. So in your keyboard, there is top leftmost corner, there is a key ESC. That key is called as escape key. So during the presentation, if you press escape key, you will come to the, just bring yourself out of the presentation. Okay. Any doubt? Anything you want to say? Yes, Sarah, bol.
It is below the power key. I know. I used it.
तो मेरी गलती हो गई ना सारा कि मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी. अब तुमको पता है, किसी को ना पता हो तो. और पावर की के नीचे नहीं है एग्जैक्टली वो. पावर की के थोड़ा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. इट इज इन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर. एंड अगेन it could be different with different devices. Power key किसी का right hand side पे भी हो सकता है किसी device में. But escape key हमेशा top left most corner पर ही होता है. So never stop me when I am explaining something. I humbly request this, Sarah, and this happens again and again.
Okay.
You always interrupt in between. तुमको बहुत कुछ आता है, अभी मैं तुमसे पूछूं क्वेश्चंस, तुम जवाब दे पाओगी क्या सब चीज का? हर क्लास में ऐसा होना जरूरी है क्या? कितना इंटरप्शन होता है, अभी किसी को नहीं पता हो तो I have to explain now. Whatever I am explaining, I have to explain all the time. And please mute yourself. Somebody is unmute and some voices are coming from the background. Okay, so this is what we have did till now. And now, next thing what we can learn, let's come to the insert tab only. We will see what insert tabs is having. We learned about images, we learned about text box, we learned about audio, we learned about video. We can even insert some shapes. Let us one more duplication we'll do. And let's duplicate this slide. अरे ये तो यहाँ पे आ गया, अभी मुझे ये यहाँ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये नीचे चाहिए. तो देखो मैंने second and fourth slide की position change कर दी. How I did this? I just drag and drop the slide from the leftmost portion and make it in the downside. So it makes me change the, yes, okay, Sehan, you can leave. So I kept this slide over here. And now we can insert shape. So in order to insert a shape, we will come to the shapes. I'm just looking into the arrows. और ये देखो मेरी ये fourth slide में ये arrow बनेगा. I can make this arrow. See. So you can create some things like this also. Now again, we'll duplicate the slide and let's come to the insert tab again. You can also insert a table. This is a very interesting thing that we can use. देखो अभी table पे हम जाएंगे and now here if I choose, see I can choose the number of slide parts of the table and here's the table. I have to remove all whatever written in the content. I will remove this arrow as well in the next slide. And this. Okay. So here is my table. I can crop this table. I can increase the size of the rows and increase the size of the columns also. I'll just select the table and see with the two-headed arrow, mouth arrow, I can increase the width. I can increase the size. Now I can write whatever I want to write in the table. I can create some tabular information in this. तो किसके बारे में क्या लिखें हम बताओ फटाफट से कुछ लिखते हैं हम. So let's go ahead with name. अच्छा, I have to take the text box to write. I have to look into it. Okay. Okay, I got it. Actually, मेरा बैकड्रॉप ब्लैक है और मेरा इंक भी ब्लैक है, तो वो ब्लैक में ब्लैक ले नहीं रहा, दिख नहीं रहा है. Let's change the color of the background. Make it a light color background. See, अभी मेरा कंटेंट देख पा रहा है. और मेरा नेट काम नहीं कर रहा है ठीक से और ये इंटरनेट से ही चलता है. Name class. What will do? Position. Remark. Okay. So let's lastly write some names over here. Now, what I can do, I can make a chart of this table also. Okay, so here's my table. So I can create a table like this. And now again, we will take the same slide. We'll duplicate the slide again. And अच्छा एक और काम कर सकते हैं, इस स्लाइड को डिलीट ही कर देते हैं और हम एक नया स्लाइड ले लेते हैं. So just what we have to do, we'll go to the slide and take a new slide. See, क्योंकि मैंने सेकंड वाला चूज किया हुआ था तो नया स्लाइड मेरा बीच में आ गया है, बट मैं इसको नीचे लगाऊंगी और इस स्लाइड में हम एक चार्ट बनाएंगे. एंड हियर we are going to insert a chart and the chart would be of a bar type chart. तो ये मेरा चार्ट है.
How do you do it? I
and
did not see.
yeah, what I have did, I am gone to insert and I have come to the chart and I have just
Oh,
selected
yes.
this. ओके अभी मेरे को चार्ट में चाहूँ तो शीट से भी, आपको शीट्स पढ़ाया था मैंने, तो यू कैन टेक द चार्ट फ्रॉम शीट्स आल्सो. So what you have to do, you just have to go to the sheets over here and see, यहाँ पर मेरे पास बहुत सारे चार्ट्स अवेलेबल है. हमने शीट्स में सीखा था ना चार्ट्स बनाना, तो हम वहाँ से एक शीट में से एक चार्ट उठा लेंगे. एंड ये देखो यहाँ से भी मैं इस चार्ट को इम्पोर्ट कर सकती हूँ. तो हियर इज माय चार्ट. ओके, बट ये चार्ट मेरा तो मेरे एक और स्लाइड में आ गया है, मुझे यहाँ चाहिए. अभी एक और प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है मेरे साथ. लेट मी चेक इट आउट व्हाट आई कैन डू विद दिस.
And first you have to select the table.
Yes, this is what I am looking for. ये किस पीरियड को ले रहा है? Okay, I can make the charts over here. Anyways, you can bring the chart from your slides also. Just I've told you how you can bring these charts from the tables from the slides and sorry, sheets and charts from the sheet, and you can insert over here. And how we can create the chart from this
Show us
particular
how we
table,
can
I will tell you in the next class. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know how to animate it. So
You
can
want
you
to
show?
animate something? So
Ma'am, we
go to
have to,
transition. See, go to transition tab and use transitions over here, drop down arrow.
Ma'am, we can also right click and then there will be an option to animate. Then you
Yes,
can animate that
yes.
chart.
So you just right click,
Okay, ma'am, I get it.
got it? so you can animate. Okay. एंड पढ़ाते पढ़ाते मुझे ध्यान ही नहीं रहा और ये बहुत ज्यादा हम टाइम के बाहर भी जाते जा रहे हैं, बट कोई बात नहीं, बस ये वाला एक और ऑप्शन कर लेते हैं एंड सी यू कैन प्ले विथ दिस. When you apply with all slides, then same transition will be seen in all slides. If you apply in a particular slide, then it will be shown in a particular slide only, and you can make the animation different with the different slides. Okay, so how we can create a chart from a particular table, that I'll tell you in the next class. For now, you understood how we can insert pictures, how we can insert charts, how we can insert data in the tabular form. ये सारी चीजें ज़्यादा useful होती है हमारे लिए. Okay, and you people please create some slides of your choice using these many tools and techniques that we have discussed in the class. Okay. Okay, any doubt? Anything you want to discuss? Okay, fine. Zuvedia, I want to see the slides from you also, and everyone, not only Zuvedia,
Okay.
Sarah, Zara, everyone. I expect good slides from you. Show me in the next class. Chalo, bye bye for now.
Bye.